recording. Stop recording. Button.
Okay, hi guys, we're back. And we have a 2007 fridge phonics this time. And the letter sizes are a bit smaller, so if you're buying used letters on eBay, make sure that, just beware that the older fridge phonics use bigger letters, and the newer fridge phonics use smaller letters. So that's just something to look out for if you're buying used letters.
Stop recording. Button.
And the 2002 version can hang on the wall, and so can this one, because there are little places for nails. You can hang it on a wall, and then it has low volume and high volume, like all the fridge phonics is.
Stop recording. Button.
And you put this button sinks it mixes in the alphabet. You can just stop it like that. Push the letter in, put the letter in there, and then push it, and then it sings a song. And it does that with all the letters. And there's one song.
Every letter makes a sound. D says.
And it's shaped in a sunshine.
Z says. Z says. Every letter makes a sound. Z says.
And that's basically all it does. It, sings the alphabet. It sings songs about the letters, the sounds that they make. And I had this one when I was little, too.
Stop recording. Button.
And this guy sounds a bit different. And that's basically all it does. And it does take batteries, like a lot of the toys I have do. Pretty much all of them take batteries. And that's basically all I have to say about this 2007 fridge phonics. So I will stop this video and go to 2009. So bye guys.
Stop recording.